from Thailand, and I will show you how to change the screenshot name and hide screenshot timestamp. Okay, sometimes you don't want the name of screenshot like this, and you don't want the timestamp. Okay, so you can change it. You have to go to this menu spotlight and type terminal and open your terminal and type the following command. The first one is to how to change your screenshot name. Okay, you can copy this command into this. SS is the new name. Okay, I will change it to my name Lek. Okay, and then you can refresh your setting by copy this and enter. And now I will try to capture my screen and check, and you should see the new name. Okay, and you will see that the timestamp still here. In order to hide it, you have to type another command: 0 to disable, 1 to enable. If you want to hide your timestamp in screenshot, enter this, and again restart with this command. And now I will capture and check. Okay, that's it. Thank you.